Hello folks, welcome back. So I bought an electric bike. Let's see what's inside here. I don't think it's a pony. Prism power bike. Alright, hello and welcome to another episode of Dread Skates. I'm of course your host and #1 hub hater, Scott Dread, I guess. And today we're going to be unboxing the Juiced Scorpion, or specifically the Juiced Scorpion with the off-road upgrade kit, but more on that in the next video. Alright, so let's dig into this thing, and unfortunately I don't have a flashy samurai sword or anything to just high out this thing open, but I do have some scissors and a really fun little Japanese hobby knife, so let's crack into this. And also, people who try and open pallet straps with like an actual knife, just use scissors or cross cutters. All right. I know, can you feel the excitement in the air? I wonder what's inside. It's like Captain Crunch penny whistle. Oh, that's convenient, having pre-cut tape. Actually, all of the tape is open on this, so this will be an adventure. I wonder if... All right, so the first thing I'm greeted with in here is quite a bit of foam. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, let's hold please. Yeah, so actually that wasn't as bad as I was thinking. Kind of not a lot of foam for a whole bike, but you know, it was in there. It was pretty adequately protected. I will say I definitely like how the scrambler is packed a little bit better than this though, but overall not bad. Also, they threw this in, whatever this is for. All right, let's take 5 and get this thing out of the box. It's still recording. Whew. It's all right. It's okay. Everything's fine. All right. So we got it out of the box, first try, and it looks like there's still quite a bit of pool noodles wrapped around this thing. So yeah, let's get those off too. Next time I'm gonna do this at Kevin's place. All right, we're getting there. Yeah, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with making you watch me put the rest of this thing together. Honestly, Juiced has done a far better job of that on their website if you want to actually see how this thing all comes together. As well as they've got a lot of great tutorials on their products in general, so definitely check that out if this is something you wind up getting. Yeah, we're gonna have another cut point here, and let me try and get this thing all cohesive. What's that? I'm sorry, I can't hear you over the sound of how awesome this is. All right, so took an extra minute there to honestly get all this together, as you may have surmised through the intermission there. So that's honestly about it. This is the complete package all together. There's one or two things I need to finish up here, and actually I need to wire up the off-road upgrade. But other than that, this is pretty much the complete package. I'm not gonna spend too much time on the contents of the goodie box. There was basically a little toolkit in there for getting everything together. Actually, let me flash that up on screen here real quick just so you can see all that. Some cards, wrenches, TriStar Allen wrench there, and of course the charger, which it's a 2 amp. That's honestly a little surprising for a 52 volt battery, but we'll get more into that in the review. So that's gonna do it here for me. If you made it this far in the video and you liked what you saw, maybe hit that thumbs up. If you really, really liked what you saw, maybe hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay up to date on all the latest videos. Lets me know that you like what we're doing here and you want to see more of it. So until next time, stay safe out there, Blade Riders. Peace.